Hey, and welcome to my channel. My name is Diane. For those of you that are new here, today we're going to be making some delicious homemade turkey spaghetti. So here it is. Let me show you how I did it. For anybody that has allergies such as alpha-gal, or you just want to eat a nice, lean, clean protein, well, ground turkey is the way to go. So I'm just going to start by first chopping up my vegetables. And I've got a half of an onion. And I'm just chopping that nice and chunky style. Let me get that in my pot. I'm only going to use a half of one because I'm going to use some onion powder as well with it. So I got my water boiling for my spaghetti, and I'm chunking up my peppers to go in here as well. You can use any kind of pepper you want. I just happen to have this. I bought that trio that you can get at the grocery store with the various colors of pepper in it. And so I'm going to use almost the whole pepper, but not quite, because this is going to add a lot of flavor to it. So that's good. I got my peppers in here, and that's looking good. I'm going to add a little olive oil to my pan just to get that sauteed. I'm going to go in with some sea salt. I have some nice pepper. Gonna let this saute get nice and soft. While I'm waiting on that to get soft, I have some cherry tomatoes that I had left from when we had salad. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna half of it, I'm gonna throw them into my spaghetti sauce. But this is just a quick and easy spaghetti. Sometimes you just can't fuss over certain things, and when it comes to having a really easy meal, spaghetti should be the one. All right, my water is boiling really good. I'm going to add a generous amount of salt to that. So while this is softening up, I want to show you. This is the Food Line brand of spaghetti sauce. It's the roasted garlic spaghetti sauce. And it's just really clean ingredients. It is organic. And I normally wait till everything goes on sale before I buy it. So I don't just buy it just regularly, but I'll stock up when it's on sale. And if they give me an in-store coupon on it, I will, use that and get even more of a discount. And also if they give me like money back, you can accrue Food Line dollars. Forget what you call it, but anyway. If you buy so much of whatever they are featuring for the month, you get earned dollars back on that. So that along with the coupon can be a substantial savings on these organic store brand products that they offer. All right, next I got my ground turkey, and this did come from Butcher Box. The Butcher Box brand ground turkey. I find that it tastes really, really good. I really enjoy the flavor of it. But with all ground turkey that I use, I always go in with some paprika over top of my ground turkey. It makes it better. Okay? So I always put paprika in my ground turkey whenever I'm making anything with this meatloaf, spaghetti, chili. I put the paprika directly onto the ground turkey. All right, so I'm going to get my spaghetti in there. Again, this is the Food Line brand of the spaghetti. My water is come to a really good boil, and we're going to get our spaghetti over in on nice hot pot. So now while my ground turkey is cooking, I'm going to add my seasonings. I'm going to add it also to the sauce when I add the sauce in there. So I'm going to add maybe a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And this is my onion powder that I'm going to add in. probably about a teaspoon of that, maybe a little more. And then I have some garlic powder. Add that in, teaspoonful of that. We just want to bring the flavor up. And then I have some basil. Fresh is wonderful, but because I haven't been to the store to get any fresh lately, I'm just going to use what I have. And then you want to just stir that all in and let it completely cook till it's done. Now I'm going to take my chopped tomatoes and I'm going to add them to the pot. Now at this point you can add sugar if you like. If not, don't do it. My husband likes it, so I do add a little sugar to this. Now I got me some Food Line brand Nature's Promise minced garlic. And I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons. Then I'm going to go in with the Nature's Promise pasta sauce. I'm going to put that right over in there. I'm just going to get all of this sauce out of the jar. Now, at this point, if you had some mushrooms, go ahead and put those in there. I don't have any. All right, turn your pot down to low. And now we're going to put in tomato paste, and we're going to put in an entire can of tomato paste. This is, again, the Food Line Nature's Promise organic brand. Nice, again, nice clean ingredients that are in there. I'm going to add a little bit more water and some more paprika. This time we're not adding as much. Okay. A little bit of Italian seasoning. Not much. We're going to put the lid on this and we're going to let it simmer. And so occasionally you want to come back and stir it just to make sure it's not sticking and that it's not burning. We're going to add more basil. All right, this is looking really good. Nice and meaty, the way I like it. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes and I'm going to top it off with a little bit of oregano. Just a little bit. I'm not a real fan of oregano, but it does taste good when you're making spaghetti and such things. So, hold it so you can see it. Now we're going to add in our noodles. I always like to add them in because I like for them to soak up the pasta sauce. That looks so good, y'all. Okay, so our spaghetti has been simmering and it's all nice and delicious. And we're going to just plate this up. And I'm going to use my tongs. Look at that, look at that. Go in there and get you some meat to put right on top of it. And either put you some Parmesan cheese on there or any kind of cheese you want. Y'all American is fine. Just going to sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley there, onion flakes, just to bring it to life. And there it is. Turkey spaghetti. Thank you so much for taking the time to be with me today. Be blessed, and I'll see you real soon.